I want to share with you today a quick little shoulder stretch. And this is for the areas here with the pectoralis major, near your shoulder, near your armpit. All of this kind of can get a little congested and tight. This is a great stretch to do. All you need is a wall. The first thing we're going to do is reach your fingertips or walk your fingertips as high up on the wall as you can. And then gently bring your torso and your body and kind of sink it down so that you're opening your armpit area against the wall. And it's as if I'm pushing my fingers into the wall, but I'm still opening and stretching through the shoulder, through the armpit. Now it may be that your shoulder can't go that high, in which case come away from the wall a little bit so that angle is not so severe. So from here, you can stay in that stretch and gently move in a little bit and then gently release away from that. Gently press in and release away a few times and release away. And then to be able to stretch even more through the front ribs, the sternum, I'm going to begin to walk my fingertips behind me as I turn my body away from my hand. So you can decide what angle you'd like anywhere in here, and maybe you stay at one angle for a moment, do a few knee bends back and forth to reach that arm further away from you. Or you simply release your torso away to feel a little bit more in that front of the shoulder area. Another option is to bend your elbow, and same thing, you could turn away and then turn towards the wall. So you're getting a real gentle movement kind of stretch here as you come in and out of that pull. And then check it out if you want to bring your fingertips down a little bit more, or bend your elbow behind you and rotate away, back and forth, just very gently. We're not trying to go too much into forcing. We're not trying to go into forcing at all, actually. We're just trying to find the edge and release away from it. And then one more here is to walk your fingertips up again, as high as you can, and bring your opposite hand below the elbows bent. So in this stretch, we're going to feel like the hands are trying to come closer together, even though there's no movement happening in the hands. I'm going to suction cup that top hand and the bottom hand onto the wall. I'm going to gently pull my shoulder down the back and open that armpit area. At the same time, I'm pushing into the wall with my lower hand and I'm pulling down on the wall with my top hand. So feeling that deep opening of the underside of the arm and the armpit area. Find your stretch and then back away just a little bit off of it. And again, maybe exhale, deepen into the stretch, and then slowly back away. And then a fun activity might be to check out the length of your arms after that and notice if you feel any difference, or notice if your arms can move a little more freely. And then I do the same thing on the other side. I hope you enjoy those nice open chest and shoulder areas. Thanks.